Sanibonani. So kule video siqhubeka ne-electrolysis but siqhubeka nenye process esiyibiza nge-purification. Okay, to purify is to clean something. Okay, so ukuhlanza into, okay, icoceke ngamazwi esiXhosa. Okay, so we note ukuthi if this is an electrolysis vele kuzobe kune BK yodwa, as we can see i-diagram yethu. And also you need to keep in mind ukuthi on the positive side of the battery, because there is a battery here, okay, so on the positive side of the battery, okay, kuzodala ukuthi yonke le portion le metal lana ibe positive, and the metal ezobe connected on the negative side of the battery kuzodala ukuthi yona ibe njani, ibe negative. Okay, so lana there is an impure metal. Okay, when I say something is impure kusho ukuthi ingcolile. Okay, so mangithi this is impure copper metal, kusho ukuthi on this metal there is copper but uhleli nezinye izinto ezimngcolisayo. It can be inhlabathi, okay, such as it can be rusty, into enjalo nje. Okay, so meaning now sifuna thina ukukhipha irust esayidini, sikhiphe nocopper esayidini. Okay, so sifuna kahle kahle ukuyihlanza lento copper asale yedwa nje ezicwebezelela yena yedwa kuphela. Okay, so in order to achieve that kuzomele sithathe the impure metal si-connect on the positive side of the battery, as you can see kwi-diagram yethu. And we note ukuthi the one that is connected on the positive side of the battery kuyohlezi kuyi-anode when it comes to electrolysis. Okay, so then ke ngoku the one that is connected on the negative side of the battery, so yena uzobe kuyi-cathode. Okay, so lento ke manje isithi on this case we are trying to purify copper. Okay, so this is impure copper. Okay, this is copper metal but it's impure, meaning copper akahambi yedwa lapho, uhamba nezinto ezimngcolisayo. Okay, as you can see ukuthi leya metal ingcolile lokhu kwangempela. Okay, so remember this metal kuyo it's on the side of the anode. Okay, so if it's on the anode side, then the reaction ekuzomele yenzeke kuleya metal, because it's a copper metal, it's impure copper. Okay, so we note ukuthi sizoba no copper, then ke ngoku izoproduce o copper 2+. Okay, then by losing 2 electrons. Why are we saying copper 2+? Because we can see la ukuthi bayahlebela ukuthi the electrolyte, a solution, okay, that can conduct electricity is copper sulfate. Okay, and we note in ukuthi copper sulfate it consists of copper copper 2+ ions and the SO4 2- ions. So hence why sithi thina lo copper or impure uzoproduce o copper 2+. Okay, by losing 2 electrons. Okay, so laba copper 2+ yilaba copper abazobe bekwi solution. Okay, so meaning kuzoba khona o copper 2+ la ku solution. Okay, so kuzogcwala o copper 2+ ngoba this metal here is losing 2 electrons. Okay, so now we can see ukuthi laba bango copper 2+. Laba copper 2+ bangama cation ions, and ama cation ions azoba attracted on the negative electrode, leli eli connected on the negative side of the battery. Okay, so once aba attracted la, kusho ukuthi kuleli electrode leli i-reaction ezobe yenzeka khona kuzobe kuyi-reduction, because this is a cathode phela side. Okay, so and makuyi reduction, we know ukuthi copper 2+ are gaining 2 electrons and they produce copper. Njengamanje on this side, okay, on this side sesiforme ucopper, okay, and lo copper lo esiwufome la, okay, lo copper lo esiwufomile la seku pure copper njengamanje, seku copper ozobe usuclean wona. Okay, as you can see now ukuthi njengamanje this brown metal isiyacwebezela manje. Ekuqaleni kade inje sase sayigcina isinje. Why igcine nje? O copper 2 plus baphume la beza kwi solution. Mabefika kwi solution baba attracted on this metal ebikade ngalana ebikade I connected on the negative side. Okay, and mayiza la the only reaction ezokwenzeka khona kuzobe kuyi reduction, and the reduction is the gain of electrons, hence why sizofoma a pure copper right now. Okay, so and this process is called purification. It's simple and straightforward. Okay, so when you need to bear in mind ukuthi under electrolysis anode is always connected on the positive side of the battery and cathode is always connected on the negative side of the battery. Thank you so much.